Hey there, baking enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of bakery-style sugar cookies. These cookies are thick, buttery, soft, and sparkly, and they're absolutely perfect. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, room temperature preferred. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 4 cups of cake flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of table salt. Now, let's get baking. Mix all the ingredients together, and you'll have a dough that's thick, soft, and ready to be rolled out. Once you've rolled it out, you can use a cookie cutter to cut out your desired shapes. These cookies will stay soft and tender for days, so you can enjoy them anytime. Thank you for joining me in this baking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious treats. Happy baking!